boys and girls, it's Shane, and it's Shay. He's over here on his phone. We're about to remove the bees from this wall behind me. So if you've never joined us for a bee removal video, I feel like we're becoming experts at this. Oh yes, and check this out. Some of you guys didn't like the armor that we used last time, so we've gotten some actual bee bonnets. But this is our new and improved bee vacuum.
You didn't write Mark 2 on it.
Yeah, I didn't write Mark 2.
Mark 2.0.
Yeah, this is the second version of our bee vacuum. And for safety's sake, we have an EpiPen on hand this time. That's something we didn't do last time. So should one of us need to stop the asphyxiation, hopefully the other one can figure out how to use it. This is lavender. So lavender essential oil is supposed to help calm down bees. We will find out. Trying on our bee bonnets we just got. These were $25 a piece from our... Okay, so I'm all suited up.
Suited and booted.
I've got my steel toe flip-flops on. We're ready to cut open this wall and see what kind of bees we got. What could go wrong? So before we start cutting open this wall, we want to make sure we know right where everything is. So I'm going to use this drill, it's just a 1/2-inch drill bit, and put a hole in the wall. Then we're going to endoscope. That'll let us look inside the wall. I hit a stud on the first try. Let's try that again.
I wasn't in here. How'd you hit a stud?
That one I hit. So this works just like a colonoscopy. It's got a screen here. So see, this side is the camera, and I can look at what we're looking at. So I'm looking at the camera. I'm looking at me. Oh, that's a weird angle. Look at that. Okay. Let's see what we find. Oh, there they're coming in. Look at them. Look at that.
Pretty sure
There, little guys. I think we know where they're at. Oh my. Oh my. Okay.
Did you hit it right in the middle? I told you.
Look at all those critters.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to start way down here, and then we're going to cut up and cut across, and we're going to be able to expose all these bees. This is my oscillating saw. I like to call it my ocelot saw. So it's really neat. It won't cut you, but it will definitely cut through the wall. So here we go. Just start about here, you think?
Yeah.
There's wallpaper behind this.
Can't hear it. Thwarted by the wallpaper.
Check out that wallpaper. This was a clever attempt by the bees to try to dissuade us. There's one right on my face.
Resistant.
Tim, trying to get to my face. Hey there, buddy. Hey there. Hey there now.
Science.
Oh, if we remove the wallpaper, we can find out what is behind the wallpaper.
It's not laid, it's actually removed.
Oh, wow. I expected it to be lath and plaster. See them coming out of there? The bees. The bees, I'll give you guys a close. No, it's not shiplap. It's just, see, you can see the bees in between the gaps here. It's definitely not shiplap.
You didn't bring your saw, did you?
I did not bring a circular, but I can still cut it with an oscillating saw.
Oh yeah.
It may just take a bit.
I don't know why I'm doing this.
I almost grabbed my circular saw. You want to tape that up so that we can take it?
Yeah.
Let's put tape over this gap and we can get through.
Well, there's gaps everywhere.
Yeah, that one's big enough that they seem to be highly active. That'll at least reduce their numbers coming in here with us. Just in case they decide they're going to get angry and want to get to us in some way, form, or fashion. Okay. So,
Loud noises.
I wish I had more blades.
Start at the bottom. I got blades in the truck if we need.
Okay. Why the bottom? Because you
Because
think
we're
there's
gonna have
less
to
bees?
reveal. Yeah.
If you've got blades in the truck, if you have any aggressive ones, these are fine teeth. It's going to take me forever with them. bring you down here a little bit. Excuse me. I wonder if there's any asbestos in these boards. You can see that the oscillating saw is actually making some smoke because the blade's a little bit dull and this wood is very old and hard. This is from the 1800s, but I'm hoping the smoke will help to keep the bees calm. Not many there. Here we go. Let's find out. Oh my.
Oh boy.
These have been here a little longer than the
Yeah.
last ones.
This hive has been here a minute.
Yep.
Okay. Go ahead and pry that other piece out. Here, I got you.
You see them? Look at this.
Start vacuuming now.
Yeah, we can definitely start vacuuming.
Okay.
Okay. You hear them? Can you hear them? I don't know how the lighting is on this. Then we'll go from there. Look at all these